Zurich. This place is one of the most expensive cities in the world. This is mainly because of an exceptionally high cost of living and also their powerful currency, the Swiss franc. Even grocery shopping and dining over here are more expensive when compared to other major cities. So let me take you through the city and break down how much I spent here in 3 days as a tourist, and show you the reality if this place is actually as expensive as people say it is. Hi, my name is Himanshi and welcome to Spin the City. We entered Zurich from Lucerne in a 16-seater van because we were traveling with a group of 11. This van took us around Europe and in Zurich for 3 days. This van cost us approximately 300 euros a day. Taking a train from Lucerne to Zurich is also a very efficient way, as it is only a 45 to 50 minute journey and it costs only 30 euros per head. We reached Zurich at about 5 p.m. and checked into our hotel, Ibis Zurich City West. We booked 3 rooms in total, which cost us 200 euros individually. We freshened up a bit and went for dinner in an Indian restaurant, and which costed us approximately 10 to 15 euros per person per meal. And one thing you need to know is that bottled water is actually costlier and tap water over there is drinkable, so it's just more wise to drink tap water. Next day for breakfast, we brought some vegetables and groceries from Coop and made our own sandwiches. So it costed us just 2 to 3 euros per head, but if you would have had the same thing in a hotel, it would cost you again 10 to 15 euros. And then we got ready to see the Rhine Falls. Over there we had lunch somewhere nearby, which cost us around the same. Then we went to the Lindt chocolate factory, from where we went to the beautiful botanical gardens for a peaceful walk. And the best part is all of these are free. Then something terrible happened. We got to know that our flight tickets got cancelled. We didn't initially plan on staying here for 3 days. We kept Zurich for the end of our trip and were supposed to stay here only for 2 days. But because of a flight cancellation, we had no other option than extending our time over there. Later we went back to our hotel and had to check out because we booked it only for this long. But luckily, we found Hotel Ibis Budget right beside our previous hotel. Our rooms were very cute and had shades of green, which I've actually never seen before. We had dinner somewhere nearby and then had a very comfortable sleep. Next day, we had to leave our van because we only booked it for that long and we had no other option. Also, we had to buy a new suitcase because one broke during the course of our trip. We used local transport and went to a nearby mall, and we bought even groceries along with the bag. We realized that this is the best decision because this is the only way that you can see and feel the city like a local. We bought more groceries to survive another day because proper meals were way too expensive. We bought ready-to-cook packed food and had our dinner like that as well. Now let me share some tips for a budget-friendly trip to Zurich. Buy a Zurich card and get unlimited transit plus free or discounted museum entries for 24 hours. You can use ZVV day passes to save money with a local day pass instead of buying individual single tickets. You can also skip taxis entirely. Use the 12-minute airport train instead of expensive cabs. To save money on meals, eat at supermarkets. Buy hot, whey-based meals at Coop. You can also refill water for free. Bring a reusable bottle and drink from the city's 1200 plus public water fountains. Some free activities that you can also consider may be swimming in the lake or hiking. So overall, yes, Zurich is expensive. But it's up to you how you want to see the city. If you want luxury, then yes, you can spend more. But if you want to keep it minimal, you can also enjoy the city in a fair budget. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and do let me know in the comments how I can improve my videos. See you in another place in another video. Bye!